Hi crafty friends, it's Tracy Hines, aka Nanner Bananer, and I'm gonna call this Flip Through Friday with Nanner. And I am so excited. I received a gifted journal from one of my absolute favorite journal makers. Let me pause you, get this open, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got it all unpackaged, and this is from my dear friend Amber at the Thrifty Journal Shop. Her information will be down below. She's one of my absolute favorite journal makers, creators. I love her style. It's so unique to her. I just love it. All right, I cannot wait to open this. I saw this when they were in like their beginning stages, and I was like, oh my goodness, I know you said no reservations, but please can I reserve one? And she said, I think she said maybe, or we'll see, or something like that. And then she ended up gifting me this beautiful, beautiful journal. I just absolutely love it. Look at the little Sunbonnet Sue. And then this is Amber's artwork. She's an amazing illustrator. I have a feeling one of these days she may illustrate a children's book, and when she does, I can't wait to buy it. I love the fabric she used. It's so eclectic, it's so pretty, it's perfect. I just love everything about this journal. I love the colors. I love the theme that it's Sunbonnet Sue. It's eclectic. I have another journal similar to this size. This is maybe just a hair bigger, and I filled it completely up. It was an awesome, awesome journal to use. Okay, so let's open this up. I'm gonna make sure I'm in frame. Okay, perfect. All right. So we've got a cloth pocket, and look at this beautiful card, and it's been watercolored, it looks like. So neat. And some wallpaper, and then we will open this up in a minute. It's some of her handmade fodder. It's some of her really cool flowers that she made on her channel. On her channel, she has Fodder Fridays. She shows how to make a lot of the embellishments that she makes for her journals. She shows making journals. It's just so much fun. And she's really into textiles, which I love, fabrics and textiles and all of that. So I love the way these journals come out, and it's so much fun. It gives you like a jumping off point to do layouts, memory keeping. I use mine kind of like a combo of a planner, memory keeping, and doing creative layouts. Then of course you have this beautiful children's book page. Oh my goodness, I love this. So neat. So inspiring. So I crochet, I knit, and I do all that. So I love that this is in here. It's so neat. Right now I'm actually working on a cowl, which is like an Xfinity scarf. I don't know if you guys know what those are. That's like a scarf that's in a circular tube, and then you can wrap it around your neck twice. But I just love that. And this, so cool. Love that. This is hand sewing. Oh wow, look at this fabric junk mail envelope. Look how it just transformed a junk mail envelope into something so spectacular. That is beautiful. I love that. Like I said, she has such really cool, unique ideas. You have to go check out her channel. You will do a deep dive and not come up for days. It's so awesome. She also has an Etsy shop where she puts her journals when she makes them and makes them available. And if you are lucky enough to get one of her journals, you'll be so happy. There's a little card. So neat. I just love this children's book pages that she used in this. They're so cute. The message sender. It's neat when you get a journal and it's like when you're flipping through it, you notice things that are kind of like specific to you, whether it was done intentionally or not. Every journal I've ever purchased, it just works out that way. It's just neat. This one was a gift though, and it makes it extra special. Oh, I just love this little girl. But memories remain. How precious. Oh, that's so neat. It's like a painty envelope. Very nice. I think I've got some of these watercolor paints that are like the metallic watercolors. I think that's what that might be. I love mine. And I look at that picture. Oh my goodness. This is so me. I love it. I love all the pinks. I love the florals. I love that it had the crochet. Another cool pocket. Yeah, this is going to be my daily journal that I'm working in. So excited. I love that. Just looking through these pages brings back so many. So like this picture here reminds me of being at my grandma's house for Thanksgiving. And one year, it wasn't a cat, it was a dog. The dog got the turkey because it was like at the edge of the table and was getting ready to be cut. And the dog came up and just got it. So we didn't have turkey that Thanksgiving. Oh my goodness. What is this? So cute. And then it's a pocket from this side. Oh, that's neat. And it has the paper in it. How clever. I love that. Very nice. And we have some wallpaper and the back of our journal. Okay, I'm going to see some of this fodder, what all she sent me. Oh, aren't these neat? Look at these really cool flowers. So she cut out flower shapes and sewed them and then sewed the button on. That is so neat. And there's some fabric on there. That takes a lot of time and work to make stuff like that when it's layered up. And this cute little house will be perfect for my home journal I'm working on right now. Here is a little journaling card. I love that. Some heart fodder. There's another one of the flowers, just so cool. And a cloth, like a fabric journal card. That is really nice. Here's another fabric journal card. Love that. And a flower. And oh my goodness, look at these cardboard buttons. They are so neat. Oh my goodness, I so want to try making those. Those are cool. This book belongs to a little bear. We have a cool page in here with some neat images. Those will be fun to play with. And an air balloon. When I was a kid, I've been on an air balloon like ride before, not just like up and down, but like where it went through the air for a while. That was really cool. And then some really cool tickets. Amber, thank you so much. I love this journal so much. I can't wait to start playing in it. You're such a dear friend. Thank you so much. Guys, thanks for watching. Go check out Amber's channel. The link is in the description of this video. Don't forget to keep it cute, keep it crafty, and keep making something out of nothing. Bye.